Hello everyone. Let's start with our today's topic bowel nosodes. Bowel nosodes are nowadays frequently prescribed by homeopathy. Why? Because of modern lifestyle, poor dietary habit, and both psychological and physical stresses, together with the use of medications, contribute to the weakening of the vitality of people, and it impacts the digestive, absorptive, and immune functions of body. So, the indications of bowel nosode in infections, antibiotic side effect, patient was never well since that vaccination, never been well since that pneumonia. So, in this type of cases, the nosodes are mostly indicated. Evidence of altered surface immunity, failure to respond to well chosen remedies. So, nosodes are very useful as an intercurrent remedy. Indications for the use of bowel nosodes. Bowel nosodes are deep acting homeopathic medicines. So it is prescribed only on the basis of homeopathic principle. They should not be given empirically but only on our homeopathic principle, that on the basis of totality of symptom you have to prescribe the bowel nosode. You can give in a two groups of cases, that is a new case when the patient has not taken any homeopathic treatment, and old cases when patient under the homeopathic treatment but not responding well. So Patterson and Batch proves many useful bowel nosode for us. First is Morgan. Morgan is a non-lactose fermenting bowel nosode. Okay, so keynote for a Morgan is what? Congestion. And here sulfur and Carcharia carb stand out the most frequently prescribed when there is a repeated bronchopneumonia in children. For the congestive headache, you can compare the Morgan's headache with a belladonna. Mind of a Morgan, introspective, avoid company, and also having mental anxiety, depression, suicidal tendency, congestive headache in a hot climate while traveling, flush face, vertigo from blood pressure, bilious attack, okay, cholecystitis, gallstone, recurrent attack of bronchopneumonia, circulation, tendency for varicose veins, hemorrhoids in children due to congestion. So for varicose veins, the Morgan is very useful bowel nosodes. So the associated skin remedies are sulfur, graphitis, petroleum and seroinum. In a Morgan, there is a congestion of skin with the itching eruption which are aggravated from heat and papillopustular eruptions on a face. Next is Morgan pure. Okay, that is a Patterson bowel nosode. Indicated when there is a marked skin eruption, disturbance of liver, bilious headache, gallstone. Predisposed types heavy, plethoric, sluggish. Causation chronically poor diet, drugs, steroids, alcohol, weaning or introducing solids too early in a babies. Okay. So GI pathophysiology, constipation, hemorrhoid, diverticular diseases. Mind symptoms, introspective. The Morgan bowel nosodes are introspective. Apprehensive. Skin eczemas that occur at the time of weaning. So, in a baby's at the weaning period, if there are any skin symptoms and other symptoms, respiratory complaints, GI complaint in that weaning period, then prescribe the Morgan pure. Eczemas that occur at a time of weaning, skin eruption with itching, ENT postnasal catarrh, sinus infections, smelly discharges and chronic bronchitis. Next is Morgan Gartner. Okay, Patterson proved bowel nosode. It is also indicated in a skin and liver conditions, but is likely to be more useful where there is a evidence of acute inflammatory attacks such as found in cholecystitis, okay, gallbladder inflammation. It is the most useful in acute inflammatory conditions as in a renal colic and a gallstone colic. Aggravation at 4 to 8 p.m. like a lyco. Loss of hair in a bunches, noisy eructation with a bad smell, rectal prolapse, thick brown corrosive bad smelling leukorrhea. So Morgan Gartner, the main core is what? Irritation. Irritable, fears of crowds, claustrophobia, jealousy. Then it is for catarrh, irritation, allergy, arthritis. The food aversion to egg in a Morgan Gartner. Okay, aversion to fat and rich food, desire for hot food. Rectum, constipation, flatulence, hemorrhages because of fissure, asthma, respiratory complaint, tightness of chest, eyes, blepharitis, ties, head, sensitive scalp, alopecia, loss of hair. Associated remedies are lycopodium as aggravation in a Morgan Gartner also 4 to 8 pm. Chilidonium, a good liver remedy. Okay, so Morgan Gartner also liver remedy as well as for a gallbladder disorders like Cassis, Mercksurp, Heriboros, Hepasurp, Sanguinaria, Taraxacum. These are the associated remedies for Morgan Gartner. Stomach, swelling, bloating, burning, pain, irritation, indigestion, dysmenorrhea, leukorrhea, cystitis, kidney stone, genitourinary infections, renal colic, gallstone colic, okay, and also good remedy for skin disorders like psoriasis, urticaria, flat warts on hand, okay, VP, crusty, scaly and cracked skin.